Here's the Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem. Put one finger there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from over there. Put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right over there is where the engine air filter is. To access it, we need to undo two clips. One over here, just pull it back. The second one over there, pull it back as well. Now we need to get this cover off. So for that, lift it up from the back over here and off it comes. There you go. Get the cover out, set it aside, grab the filter and take it out. The bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped over there. So outside air comes from the bottom. Dirt gets trapped there and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now let's go ahead and put it back in place. Now when you do so, make sure all those seals are sitting in properly. It's not getting squished by the cover, right? So you make sure it's sitting in, especially the back part over there. Good. Now let's just go ahead, get the cover, put it back in place and focus on the tabs in the front there. Make sure they go in the slots. Good. And now let's just put the clips on. Press it on, 1 and 2, and that's about it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.